Okay, hey guys. Luke Herrera here again, TV, and Luke Herrera TV here. Sorry, and we're gonna try. In this map in Red Crucible 2, Sandstorm, there's actually UFO. There's UFOs and a lot of Illuminati triangles, I would call it, around the area. And we're gonna try to find the UFO, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So actually, in for my next video in Autobahn, the map Autobahn in Red Crucible, there's actually ghosts which you can find. This today we're gonna find the oh god, I'm being shot at. Today we're gonna find the UFO. It's in a ditch somewhere. It also depends on which team you start out on. I think I'm already at the enemy's base. There I am. How was that fast? Okay, so we gotta. It's somewhere around here. I remember. It's in a ditch somewhere, and I think it's better to use a helicopter because it's okay. There it is. I see the smoke. See the smoke right there? There it is. Found it. Okay, yeah. This is our UFO. It looks like a big clam with smoke coming out of it, but I guess it's some kind of UFO. Again, I came across this accidentally on like a match ago or two. I was driving, I got here, and let's go check it out. Oh god, I fell. Oh no. Oh no, my helicopter. Shit. Okay. I guess I'll have to walk, but. So this is it. What was that? Is that a grenade? Why is that a grenade? Is that. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting really distracted. No, that's something else. So this is our UFO right there. Okay. I think you walk through it. I don't think nothing happens. It's just like a huge like circular plate. I guess E, you can't get in it. Okay, click. It's this. So this is our UFO. Okay, again, if you haven't seen, I'll climb up this mountain to show you where it is. It's up here. Climb up this. Oh god, this is really steep. Again, it just looks like a big clam with smoke coming out of it. Again, if you're in the red team, sorry, if you're on the red team, it'll be right there, and you'll see it. If you're in a helicopter, you can see it because there's smoke. And I can't really see the blue. If you're in the blue team, it's just fly over towards there, and you can find it. Now I'm gonna find the Illuminati symbols. This is gonna take a while, and I don't want to be killed. Oh, God, this is gonna take a long time. No, I don't. Not sure like what that is. It's just an Easter egg. But my next video, we're finding the ghosts on Autobahn. That's gonna be fun. Again, you can skip if you don't want to see me walk all the way there, or I'll just edit it just to, I don't know. But yeah, I know which certain buildings have this little Illuminati like triangle on it, or a pair of it. It could just be a glitch. I don't know. Looks very suspicious, conspiracy theory ish to me. So let's go find it. Oh God, I don't want that guy to notice. So, it's in one of the buildings around here. Again, okay, I don't want that guy to kill me. Go in here. Yeah. A helicopter. Oh! Shit, sorry. I guess this will make it easier. Okay. It'll make it easier to go there. Let me find a car. What the hell? Oh, I thought that was... Again, that was where the UFO was. Now we're gonna find the Illuminati. Also, I'm not sure what there's also a glitch in this fortress where if you can glitch the helicopter when you park it inside of there. I'll show this later if I get a helicopter. I might not, but basically it goes if you glitch the helicopter through this floor, there's like a huge like hole on the bottom under it. Like, does that ever happen if, like, you glitch, you go through the floor, right? Well, you go under the floor, but there's, like, a huge hole. And I'm not sure what that is. I might do that. I might not. I'm not sure if it works. Oh, God. Okay, let's go find the buildings. It's around there. It's one of those buildings. So, oh, God. Shit. Let's go. Run over this. Oh, shit. Don't kill me. Okay, let's go. You have to climb up the buildings to get there. It's up there. Let's go. How the hell do I climb there? Okay, I guess. Shit, how do I do that? We'll find it. Oh, God. Oh, God. How the hell do I climb this? Shit. Don't shoot me. Swear to God. How the hell? Fuck. Okay, I'm guessing I could climb there. But again, there's that guy right there. Oh, wait, no, he died. Nope. God damn, there's someone there. God damn, I swear to God, if I die... There, found steps. Okay, we're gonna find this Illuminati building. Shit. Is it there? It's on one of these dome thingies. It's on... It's just a little, like... There it is. Got it. See? That's it. It's like a weird triangle. I don't know. Maybe there's other ones. I'm not sure. That's one of them. And again, I'll stand up to show you which building this is. This one right here. It looks like they go in. It looks like some kind of dome. Look, see, it's glitching. Look. Like, is it like... Oh, God, someone's shooting at me. I'm not sure if there's other ones, but I'll die, go back and get a helicopter, and I'll get a helicopter, try to do the glitch. Yeah, there. Okay, let's go get the helicopter. Okay, let's get the helicopter. Let's see. This will be the final one. If I don't do it immediately, I might just do another video, part 2, or maybe not. I'm not sure. Here. Oh, God. Here. Okay. Some of these. We have to wait. It takes a while. Not a while. It just takes some time for it to load. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. But I'm not sure if that hole is just some kind of... It may just be there, or it's maybe part of the Easter egg. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, that pisses me off. Just get one of these. Dude, I swear if you fucking take that shit, I swear, literally, I'll fucking kill you. Got it. Fuck you. Okay, let's do this shit. I don't want to get hit by anything. I'm just gonna stay lower to the ground. Is that it? No, that's probably not it. Yeah, that. Oh god. Can I get in here? Ooh, I can do it. Oh god. Oh, see, look, see how, like, I glitched? What the hell? What the hell was that? I can't. What the hell? If I don't do this, I'm gonna be really pissed. Shit. You can do it. Go through. There. Go. Okay, go. You gotta be kidding me. See it? See? Oh god, it brought me back. Oh, it's that thing. It's that stupid ass ball thing. Okay, that makes it way easier. Shit. No! Okay, if I swear, I'm gonna try to do this shit. Yeah, this isn't working out. If I don't do it. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. I died. See how, like, the bottom? That's gonna be it for my video. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye.